Question number 6 says, if 3 minus 4 root 3 root 2 multiplied by 1 plus 3 root 2 is equal to a plus b root 2. You should find the value of b. If you are not very good at solve, you might not be able to solve a question like this. Now let's look at how we can solve a question like this using solve rule. Now if you are asked to multiply this and gives you this, that means whatever the result you get here, you either see the value of a and b in that result. So these are the options that are given to us. So let's multiply out that expression. We have 3 minus 4 root 2 multiplying 1 plus 3 root 2. So if we go with our multiplication, you find out that this will multiply this, and this will also still go and multiply this. While this will multiply this will also go to multiply this. So 3 times 1 will give us 3, plus 3 times 3 will give us 9 root 2, right? Good. So we'll go to negative 4 root 2. We have negative 4 root 2 times 1 will give us negative 4 root 2, right? Minus times minus will give us plus. Minus times plus will give us minus, right? Minus times plus will give us minus. 4 times 3 will give us 12. Then root 2 times root 2 is going to give us 2. Because in sort, if you have a root of a value multiplying the root of another value, that will give you what? That will give you that value. Take note of that. So this is going to give us 3 plus 9 root 2, root 2 minus 4 root 2. Because they have same root, we can subtract and add them. So this is positive, while this is negative. This will become what? 5 root what? Root 2 minus 12 times 2 is going to give us what? 24. Remember, our expression must be like a plus what? B root what? Root 2. So what would that give us? We're going to take 5 root 2 to the other side. So we'll have 3 minus 24 plus 5 root what? Root 2. 3 minus 21, 3 is lesser, so that will give us a negative value. That's negative 21 plus 5 root what? Root 2. Now, does this look like this? This is a plus b root 2, right? So from this expression, you can see that a is what? Is negative 21. And then this whole value here, b is what? B is 5. So the value of our b is equal to 5. And the value of our a is equal to negative 21. What are we asked to look for? We're asked to look for the value of b. So the value of b is what? 5. And the result is what? A. And that is answer to question number 6. In our next video, we're going to solve question number 7. Stay tuned to our channel to get the solution to that question. Thanks so much for watching.